agree. That's why I never get tired of it. I go and look at mine in the garage. I watch it. I see it every day. I bleed blue. That's part of my blood on the caliper. So yeah, it looks nice. Yo, Brennan, is there? It was Justin. Yo, Justin. Why'd you call it? Хочешь поехать? They don't really hang out much, is there?
Good chase there, but will that be enough to bring it to the next level? Definitely one has to crowd and what they think. Who will move on to top on Crazy 8? First, let me hear for the BMW! Okay, crowd, you know what? We're going to try and get you guys involved in this judging. I don't want to hear you. You guys think it's the BMW? Let me hear you. Or is it the RX-7? Or do you think it should go one more time? BMW? RX-7? One more time? Yeah, I think we got one.
Well, he's like the owner.
Yes, the judges agree. The reason why we asked you guys was pretty much the judges were thinking, one more time! All right! Drift Boss got them lined up. Very clean chase on that second run. In the event of what's with the cars on the field, that was actually a really good chase run, making and evening out the bubble in the first round. I agree. That was a clean second run, enough to negate what happened in the first round. Here they go, RX-7 chases the BMW top 16 CSCS drift video task That's what we call CSCS drift right there.
You notice how the RX-7 is set?
No doubt, it was worth the one more time.
Worth the one more time. And we knew Brad could put it together. He's made a mistake on his original initiation. Let's see how he chases now.
Wow. Switching positions here, CSCS top 16, the RX-7, and both cars, man, threw down. More confidence, more track time. They learn each other. That's the thing about drifting. You gotta learn each other's patterns, and then you're able to say, okay, I know where he's going with his car. I know his tendencies. I could chase him down or track him down. So when they switch position, we see some good chasing already in that second round from the first time around. We should see a really close battle here. I expect that BMW to reel him in. Let's see Alright folks, you guys call for one more time, this being the last run.
This is going to determine who's moving up.
I would say even at that point, guys. Both cars did really well in that first time out. Here we go. Action. Oh, a little bit of dirt drop, which is okay. Another dirt drop, which is a little okay. Sketchy chase there. I'm going to leave the judges who asked the crowd on what they think. We should move on to crazier.
Let's hear it! Is it the RX-7? Let's hear it!
The house call, all Max Attack drivers to the grid. Max Attack drivers to the grid. Again, Max Attack drivers, make your way to the grid right now. As soon as we conclude this top 16, guys, we're going to go straight to Max Attack.
Now, we've been talking a lot of Max Attack, Max Attack, Max Attack. I want you to quickly tell these folks who are the new CSCS fans what exactly Max Attack is.
Alright, Max Attack, Time Attack here, the championship is basically fighting against the time. We take all the vehicles that compete in Time Attack and we say, hey guys, do you want to go door to door? And then 10 of them go, you know what, let's go door to door. So we take the slowest cars that register for Max Attack into the fastest cars and put them in the back and we say, you guys go door to door. First across the line, Will the event. It's been phenomenal. We've seen some great epic run-downs by Luciano. We've seen K2 run some really good runs. These cars go all out. And I think we have a buy one here. Oh no, this is not buy one. This is Ron Malari. Moving on to Crazy Eights after Max Attack. We have Ron Malari chasing down number 24 here. Brandon Leonard. We're hitting a pylon. Ron Malari had a little bit of difficulty there. Both cars need some action here. I didn't see the first part of that. What did you think?
It was, I think they were just kind of feeling it out a little bit there. Roller seemed a little bit slow. You're trying to figure out what he was going to do there. Just hold that.
Yeah, number 25, Ron Malari here in that Can Jam Motorsports Subaru Forester. A little bit sketchy on the chase, but at the same time, that BMW driven by Brandon Leonard from Octane Monkey in that 330 CI. He did also bobble his lead. So both cars to me would be a little bit even. I'd like to see a really good run from both drivers.